Hi guys, if you want to stop Google from tracking your web and app activity across all the Google devices, Google services, you must disable or turn off one settings as explained in this video. So first, launch Google Chrome in your browser. Click on three vertical dot against top right corner of your Google Chrome page and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to privacy and security. Wipe your web and app activity. Here scroll down and you will find privacy guide. Review key privacy and security controls. Here a guide to your privacy choice. Choose next. Choose next until web and app activity you will see. Choose next. Again choose next and go to on the next page you will see look for web and app activity. Click on it. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find web and app activity. So simply turn off this feature. Choose whether to save your activity or some Google sites and apps including associated info like location to get better recommendation and more helpful. So turn off this feature. If you don't want to turn off, then simply deleting activity. Choose an app auto delete activity older than 3 option available here: 3 months, 18 months and 36 months. Choose minimum 3 months. And after 3 months all your web and app activity will be automatically deleted. And click on next. If you want to stop don't auto delete activity, then choose don't auto delete activity. And if you want to completely turn off web and app activity, then simply turn off. Simply turn off web and app activity. It will disable the feature but also wipe all previously saved information from Google server. Finally, click on Got It.